Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cute Notion dashboard. First, define your dashboard's main purpose. This clarity guides your design choices. Next, pick a consistent color palette and theme that you love. Finally, gather some beautiful images and icons to use throughout. Starting with these foundational steps ensures your dashboard is both functional and aesthetically pleasing from the very beginning. Now, let's talk about layout. Using columns is a fantastic way to organize your content visually, making it easy to read. Consider embedding useful widgets, like a weather forecast or a calendar, for dynamic information. For a super clean look, create toggle lists to hide less frequently used details. These structural elements help keep your cute dashboard tidy and efficient. To truly personalize your Notion dashboard, focus on aesthetic touches. Add custom cover images and unique page icons that reflect your style. Utilize dividers and callout blocks to break up text and highlight important information. Don't forget to incorporate fun GIF or embedded media like Spotify playlists to add personality. These small details make a big difference in creating a cute and inviting space. Keeping your cute Notion dashboard fresh is key. Regularly update your content to ensure it remains relevant and useful. If you're ever stuck for ideas, explore community templates for new inspiration and layouts. Remember, the goal is to keep it both functional and visually pleasing. Your dashboard should evolve with you, making your daily tasks a little more delightful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.